All right, so this is the budget breakdown template or the budget planning Google Sheet. I kind of switch back and forth between the two as far as names go. Quick introduction, this template is designed to be paired with a budgeting app like YNAB. Now, there's other popular apps out there like EveryDollar. And I know there's a few that are just phone-based. YNAB is my favorite, so that's what I use the most. But another budgeting app that allows you to apply a plan and track your expenses should work with this template. You'll want to use it with a template to hold you accountable to what it is that you plan to do in the budget, and it'll let you make adjustments throughout the month as needed as well. So definitely pair this with some type of budgeting app. So quick introduction, estimated income, that's a tab. Budget overview is a tab. Non-monthly expense calculator is a tab. I'll show you each of those tabs in just a second. And there's also links to tutorial videos in all of those. The estimated income tab, there's a bunch of instructions on how to use it, but basically there is the option for you to just pop in what your average monthly income is. If you know what it is because you've got a stable paycheck, you can just pop that right into here. You don't have to use this section at all. This is more for people who have variable incomes, and I go into the tutorial video that is linked here on how exactly to use that variable income calculator to give you a sense of what it is that you're looking to work with from month to month. The budget overview, as you can see, I put $500 in the, if we go back real quick, we put $500 in the total here as far as the budget goes, just for example purposes. There's some stuff that automatically gets filled out on the budget overview page. The first one is your average income, pulls that straight from the estimated income page, so you don't have to do anything with this category. And the emergency fund also automatically pulls 10% of that into savings for emergency fund. I go into a little bit of detail about why we put aside some money for an emergency fund in the tutorial video. I highly recommend watching it. But you can change this to either a fixed amount that you choose on your own. So just overwrite this with, like, let's say $250 or $100 or $25 if that's all you got the money for, or you can change the percentages to match something that you want. Like if you want to save more aggressively at 15 or 20% of your income, then you can do that. Now, this is all based on take-home pay, so just a heads up on that. The non-monthly expense calculator. Oh, actually, before we do that, we'll just quick go over this. These category groups, these are all just commonly used categories. You can, in the tutorial video, I show you how to adjust, change, add new categories to these groups, create brand new groups, and how to make that work with the calculations that are already set up in here. So definitely watch that tutorial video. And then the non-monthly expense calculator, this is just a basic calculating sheet. It's meant to run the numbers for you so you don't have to. The quick and dirty of it is if you need to save $100 a month over the next, or $100 over the next 3 months, it'll break it down that you need to save your $33 to $34 a month over those 3 months in order to get to your $100. With more complicated amounts that you need to save up for, obviously the math's not that easy. So that's why we create this section. And I've got a whole tutorial video on how to enter your money into here, what it is that you're trying to calculate, and even what the recurring and what to do for future savings in the future, what that looks like, and how to set those aside based on the calculations that are in here. So that's all in another tutorial video as well. So this is your budget breakdown template. This is the budget planning Google Sheet. It is meant to be paired with another budgeting app. It works very, very well. I've been using this for years with YNAB. And it's worked very well for when I need to make adjustments to my budget at a high level overview, and then I can implement it in my actual budgeting app from day to day.